most of you would remember a press meet we took in Delman 2 years ago. It was basically relating to what we were going through because of predatory pricing, which was done by online portals. And we also addressed to a certain extent the CYBERAGE scheme. Today, what has happened with CYBERAGE, before I start elucidating the points below, is that all these laptops are basically what students would require basically in their 4th or 5th standard. These laptops which are handed over to the students almost past their 12th standard are technically really not of use to most of the students, because each student by the time he has gone in or she has gone into 12th standard has decided what he or she wants to do ahead, whether it is engineering, medicine, science, maybe a little bit of people who are getting into commerce may be able to use these laptops, but for others this configuration of laptops is almost useless. This results in what? This results in people tending to barter these laptops, sell these laptops, or simply exchange it with certain people who are supplying these laptops. Whether we are in Goa, such kind of, now this is a lobby and not a mafia, but this lobby is replaced by mafia in coal tendering and such things that happens in Bihar and Jharkhand. So where are we? And it is not a case of we trying to enter the supplies. We are talking about how we are affected because of this useless laptops which come into the market. Anything that comes for free, that commodity loses the value. The market for value of 10 to 12,000 rupees. And blatantly now students also have got tech savvy. They are even selling it on sites like OLX. This was brought to the notice of then Chief Minister Mr. Parsekar, and about the online trading also, he had promised to make the commercial tax look into it, because we were sure that online portals, the amount of sale that is being done into Goa, the commercial tax department is losing anywhere between 600 to 700 crores of revenue.